There is a newly published scientific study that looks into an underreported danger of illegal drugs. The study says that drugs don't just pose a risk to human users, but they're also apparently a danger to wildlife, specifically to fish. The study, published in the journal Current Biology, it was conducted by researchers at the Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences, and the scientists put the impact on a batch of salmon which slowly released cocaine. Now, the drug was then diffused into the fish, and their exposure was at a rate that may be plausible in the wild. The fish were then released into a lake to see the results. The researchers found that salmon that were exposed to even low levels of cocaine behaved differently from those in a control group. The cocaine-affected fish were more active. They swam an average of 5 kilometers more than the control group, and they also ventured into parts of the lake unfamiliar to them. The researchers concluded that cocaine exposure had led to the salmon needing more energy because they ended up swimming more. The fish also seemed to have a lesser sense of danger, and the researchers say that this could make them more vulnerable to predators. Now, the effect of cocaine on the fish were pretty apparent, but the researchers found that an even greater danger was posed by the metabolic byproducts of cocaine. When humans consume cocaine, the body breaks it down into smaller chemicals. These metabolic byproducts are then released by humans as waste. The researchers say that this waste containing drug byproducts can affect fish more than just the drug itself. And therefore, it's less of a concern if people are just throwing illegal drugs into natural water bodies, and it is more alarming when untreated sewage from drug users enters the lakes and streams. This has the potential to adversely impact wildlife to a far greater degree. And reports say that the existing sewage treatment facilities effectively remove drugs and drug byproducts before anything is discharged into the water bodies. But the new research proves that there is another previously unknown danger posed by untreated waste, which means more vigilance is needed regarding the waste treatment, and lets fish and other wildlife suffer due to human negligence.